Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2021 Ford Edge SE. Coming in this nice gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, mud flaps on the rear and front with blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we got that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You have hooks and doodads, cargo cubby holes, lights, 12 volt, there's those more hooks, more storage on the other side, plenty of storage with your spare tire as well, which is pretty handy. Little hooks right here as well, and you can collapse that row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats with a carpet interior, rear vents, storage, USB and USB-C, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, little storage cubby here, you got the Edge logo, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, windows, mirrors, all that jazz, lights and traction control on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 100,084 kilometers. We get this vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your right hand screen, you have your playback, play forward, phone, volume, mute and voice, cruise control, and toggle for your left hand screen, which you can go through display mode, trip and fuel economy, driving assist, settings, and you do get a digital speedometer, which is pretty handy. And over here you have your entertainment and phone. To my right we have our gear select, parking brake, auto stop storage, cup holders, tons of storage here, USB, USB-C, your center console with upper and lower storage. You get even a 12 volt down there, which is pretty handy. Your engine start, volume, hazards, max temp, media controls, tune, and your backup camera. You get your climate controls at the bottom with dual climate, which is pretty nice. You got storage below, and look here, we do get storage above your infotainment system, which you do get your audio with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth. You can connect your phone, media, all that jazz. I'm gonna go home real quick. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sketch mode, and you do get some video games to play, which is pretty fun when you're waiting for someone. And your vehicle settings, such as sound, basically all your Ford settings, you got Ford Assist, and all that fun. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE38515A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.